Hi there. I'm excited to introduce to you another new powerful capability that we have introduced here at Mobb called the project level fix policy. So to explain a little bit of what this does, currently at Mobb, as an organizational level administrator, you can define across your entire organization what types of issue types that you want to enable, and also whether you want to enable automatic pull requests for the various different supported issue types. So what we have introduced in the recent release is we can now allow the individual project owners to define the fixed policies that they want for their application or for their projects. So now the project owner can define whether they want to enable these issue types or automatic pull requests for their own project. So without further ado, let's take a look and see how this works. So here we are at the Mobb user interface. As an organizational level administrator, I can use the settings button here. Under fix policy, I can define for my entire organization what I want to enable or disable the different issue types. Same thing if I want to enable automatic pull requests for the various different issue types. I can also use the search box here to find a particular issue and also define the settings there. Once I am good to go, I can click on apply changes. And you can see the warning message here tells me that this will be applied across all the projects. Once I click on confirm, the settings have now been applied across the entire organization. But now, what if as a project owner, I want to define my own settings for my own project? So let's say I go to this project here, my first project. I can now use the three buttons here under project settings. I can now use the fix policy option here. And under the project level fix policy, I can continue to make further customizations for my project. So here again, we can use the functionality here to enable or disable the issue types along with the automatic pull requests. And we can apply the changes here, except the changes that is being applied is only on my project here, on my first project. Again, this is really useful for individual project owners to define their own policies without affecting all the other projects that exist in my organization. Now, something to be mindful of is that as an organization administrator, I want to be careful about applying the fixed policies after the project owners have applied their individual project level fixed policies. As you can see, if I go back to the settings here on the fixed policy, whenever I make changes to my organization level fixed policy and I apply changes, the warning message effectively is telling us that once I apply this will override all the settings that the project owners have defined for their projects. Another thing to be aware of is that enabling or disabling the experimental fixes is only available at the organizational level. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.